In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the legend name in Grafana. If you've ever looked at a chart in Grafana and wondered how to make the labels more readable or meaningful, this is exactly what you need. The legend is the label that appears next to your series or metrics, and updating it can make your dashboards far easier to understand, especially when you share them with teammates. Start by opening your dashboard in Grafana. Find the panel you want to update, then click the panel title or the three-dot menu in the top right corner of that panel. From there, choose Edit. This opens the panel editor, where you can adjust how your data is displayed without changing the underlying queries or data sources. On the right-hand side of the editor, look for the Settings area and scroll until you see Standard Options. This section contains general display settings that affect how your panel looks. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It's a common place for controls like units, display options, and the legend display name field. Within Standard Options, find the field labeled Display Name. This is the key to changing your legend text. Click into that field and type the new legend name you want. Choose something descriptive that makes sense in context. For example, instead of a cryptic metric name, use a friendly label that your audience will understand at a glance. If your panel shows multiple series, each series can be given its own display name. Just make sure you're editing the one you intend to rename. Once you've typed the new name, apply the change to the panel by clicking Apply. This confirms your edits and updates the panel preview so you can verify the change visually. Take a quick look at the legend to confirm the new name appears as expected. Remember, this change affects presentation only. It doesn't alter the data itself. When you are happy with the result, make it permanent by clicking Save Dashboard. Saving ensures your changes persist if you refresh the page or come back later. It's a small step, but it prevents you from losing your edits, especially when collaborating. And that's all there is to it. You edited the panel, opened the standard options, entered a clear display name, applied your changes, and saved the dashboard. This simple tweak can greatly improve readability and consistency across your visualizations. And that's how you change the legend name in Grafana. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.